Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see the Excel operations using Python. So in this lecture we are going to see, like in the last lecture we learned about how to insert rows and columns. So obviously we are going to see how to delete rows and columns. Okay, so there is this command delete rows and delete columns. Okay, so similarly delete columns command is there, so through which we can delete rows and columns. Okay, so here you can see the delete rows method of the worksheet object is used to delete an existing rows and columns. So it also accepts the two parameters like insert rows and insert columns. So the row number which needs to be deleted and the number of row needs to be deleted. Okay, those are the two parameters. So let's load the workbook here and let's see the values. So here you can see third row is none, and fifth and sixth row is also none. Okay, so what we'll do is we will delete the third row, and we will also delete 2 rows from the fifth row. Okay, so it is 2 rows from the fifth row, so 1 2 3 4th 5th. Okay, so this is correct. So you can see that, so these rows will be deleted 1 2 and 3. Okay, so let's close this and let's check this how it works. Okay, so let's run this command and let's check this. So here you can see all the rows are deleted, but one row is remaining here. Okay, so that is fourth row. So let's add one more command here to delete the fourth row. Okay, and let's change the value to 4. Okay, and now let's check this. Yeah, so we are good to go. So let's save this and then let's check this into the text file. So we should see no empty rows now. Yeah, now there are some empty columns which we need to delete, that is second column and fourth and fifth column. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so let's check this first again. Okay, so first is second column. Yeah, second column. So here it is third column, so let's replace to second. Okay, and let's comment it out for the, okay, let's take this into next cell. Okay, not here, here. Okay, so that when I delete the second column, you can see that this is how John Wick 2 and then none. Now we want to delete third and fourth column, so we'll replace this with third and we will do that. Let's uncomment this. You might get this a bit confusing, but you will understand what I'm doing once you do it yourself. Okay, so let's save this. Now if I open, you will see that my Excel sheet is in proper format, so no empty rows and no empty columns are available. Okay, you can also delete whatever columns you want and whatever rows you want. Okay, so based on that you can run the commands here. Okay, so this is how you can delete the rows and columns from the Excel sheet. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, do hit the subscribe button and then take care. Bye bye.